and I went right straight back to work. I was up on top and jumping on the bottom of the V. We went for lemonade and Paris plums at the shop, then we broke for tea.
Hi, my name's Sam with Sam's Window Cleaning Service Inc. and today I'm going to just talk you through how I clean windows. What is it that I use? I have a hose from your house hooked up to a pump, and this pump goes into the white filter there, that's a carbon filter. Then that silver filter there is a reverse osmosis filter, and then there's my deionization tank. Once the water has been through all those filtration processes, then it goes into a main line that wraps around your home. Here is what is called a TDS meter. That stands for totally dissolved solids. Now you may be aware of this, but regular household city water and even well water has particles in it, a buildup of minerals, and if I was to wash your windows with just regular water, it would leave spots on your glass and wouldn't do a very good clean. This TDS meter measures per million how many parts of totally dissolved solids are in your water. So let's go ahead and measure the water. Turn it on, and right there you can see it is measuring at 0 TDS. That means it has 0 parts per million. Just to show you that I am not yanking your chain and that regular household water does have totally dissolved solids in. I have an exhaust here that's just your main water feeding into the pump. I'm just going to tweak it a little bit so I can get a little bit of water out of here. Let's see what the result is. So I've turned that TDS on, and now 261 parts per million. Don't just take my word for it. Call me for an estimate today and I'll be happy to show you my amazing system called a water-fed pole system that uses nothing but pure water that I make myself to clean your windows, the most spotless that you've ever seen. And it doesn't just clean the glass, it also cleans the frames, panes, tracks and sills too, leaving you with an entirely clean window unit. You can't get any better than that. If you're interested, please give me a call at your earliest convenience. My telephone number is 321-213-5751.
Tom and listen to Jimmy Rogers in my lunch break. I'd find Woodbine at the shop on the corner, and I went right straight back to work.